can get him. Okay. All right. Okay, give it to me. Okay, so what's happening is right there where the crossbar meets the tent on this side, the track is strong, but the crossbar itself just on this side is bending. If you can compare the other side, this side's much lower. The reason why that's happening, I think, is because this is the side that the tent flips open, so it comes off like that. And so when we do that and we try to climb up and we put all our weight on this side, it's causing the crossbar to bend. The track itself is really solid, and the hardtop is handling it very well as well. So we're not really having an issue with the track or the hardtop. The issue is with these crossbars. I believe the way these crossbars are designed, if you have the right amount of weight on the crossbars, if you have the right amount of load, then the weight will be distributed equally onto the tracks. But right now, I think the crossbar is not able to handle the weight that we put on it, and it's not transferring it over to the tracks, and it's failing before it can even do that, which is why it's bending right here. Now we have two options here. One is we can reinforce this crossbar to handle the weight of the tent, or we can just replace the crossbar entirely, and I think we're going to go with option number 2, which is replace the crossbar. We did grab some metal tubing like this, and we have another piece that's much thinner. We did cut it to size. So the idea is to take that metal tubing and kind of replace it with the current crossbars. You'll see how it goes. So that's kind of the plan for today, to correct or fix this roof rack. And then we also got an awning. So if we have time left in the day, we may install that as well. Okay, so we've placed our crossbars in place. Aldo's just marking them now. We may need to take the tent off in order to get this job done. Adding a little protein to your diet, Carl? Okay, so the tent has to go down. We don't have another choice. There are just a lot of holes that we need to put on the track as well as on the crossbars, and just a lot of like alignment, and it'll be much easier if we take the tent off. So that's what we're going to do right now. Let's go. How did we do it last time again? Okay. Okay, are you holding it?
Yep.
Okay. That's it, just leave it right there. Yay! Well, the Jeep looks so empty without the tent. But the tent is off. I did not think we'd be doing this a second time. But I think we've gotten better at doing it, right?
We need something that goes over the track so that the weight is distributed on the track. So
got to be done.
Has to be done. It even came out of the track here. That is not good.
These are actually shelf brackets, and luckily Don had some of them lying around, so we didn't really have to pay for it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna take this track off now so we can sneak this screw in. There's just enough space for this to go in, so once we take it off we should be able to just sneak this in there and then put our crossbar on top of it. Actually, we're also going to put our the bracket that comes with our awning. It's like an L-shaped bracket, and then screw all of them in with this bolt. But I'm going to take this off now. Okay, so the bolt is in. Now time for the crossbar and then the awning bracket.
It's not long enough.
Yikes. Is that the longest one we have?
No, we have another one.
Okay, let me grab it. This one may be too long. It's worth a try. And it's not hitting underneath either, is it?
No.
It kind of is, but once you tighten it, it should pull.
Yeah.
It taut. You see? Oh yeah, that's good. Oops. I asked him to wear glasses and he refused to. So internet, do your thing.
Yeah. What do you think?
Looks good. So we're just gonna put everything together now. So it's gonna be like a quick, like B-roll.
No, it's not going to be like that.
Anyone else did this while you were a kid? You'd find a rock, you'd put a plank on it and try to like find that balance. Oh look, so close. If you did, say hi in the comments below.
Thanks.
Obviously, we have to paint it black. Since it's all installed, and the next step is just putting the rooftop tent on and the awning. I'm just gonna paint it and then we'll do that. Where are the bolts? Yeah. Okay, now time for the rooftop tent. Where is it? There it is.
Oh boy. I like this. Boy. Good boy.
And for the second time, we attempt to lift the rooftop tent. I know. That's right. Oh, leave it on this track. Push. It's the damn screws. Oh, okay, no. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's up there. Sort of. Okay, okay. Be gentle. What is this mess you've got yourself into? So Aldo's just trying to put in all the brackets and screws that hold the rooftop tent. And once he's done that, hopefully we have enough time to take our awning out and take a look at it. Okay, the rooftop tent is on. We're going to take a look at our awning now.
We need to paint this black.
No, shouldn't do. I mean, it doesn't look all that bad. So we really like this awning because of how sleek it is. The only thing that we do not like about it is the fabric. We don't really know how it's going to hold up against like the elements, but it's actually a very thin fabric compared to the awning we previously had. But we really liked the size, and we liked how sleek and black it was, so we decided to get it. We'll do a more detailed review after we use it a bit, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Right, not bad. I really like how it looks, and the best part about it is all the poles and everything were all in the bag, like they were all a part of the awning, and I really like that.
Well, these two poles were always a part of the awning assembly, even in our old tent. It's just these two, you know,
Old
standing.
awning.
What?
You said old tent.
Yeah,
old
no, old awning, yeah. These two poles were always a part of the assembly. It was just these two poles here that was separate. We'll have to take it out and, you know.
Yeah, it was in a
stick it
bag. Yeah.
But in this one, it
comes
just
with it,
folds
which I
in, yeah.
really like.
So everything is attached, nothing comes apart, which is nice.
What's in my pocket? GoPro. Hello summer, here we come. Summer, rain, well, not fly season. Anyway, the sun is setting, so we're gonna call it a day. But oh my god, today was a long day. I really underestimated this job. I did not expect it to take like the whole day. But anyway, regardless, we got it done. We have the awning installed, we have the roof rack fixed, and the rooftop tent back on it. We will leave the link to this awning in the description below if you'd like to take a look at it. And we'll like talk more about it, give a more detailed review after we use it a little bit. But that's about it. Like this video if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your questions and comments in the comment section below. That's it. Thanks, bye. Come on.